Welcome to FoneDog's channel. We are here to help you solve your mobile phone problems. In this video, you will learn how to use iOS data recovery to recover deleted data from iPhone, iCloud, and iTunes to the computer. First, click iOS data recovery. If you have no backup for your iPhone, you can select Recover from iOS device and connect your iPhone to the computer. Second, click Start Scan and wait for the scan result. Then, choose the data you wish to recover and click Recover. You will know where the data will be saved through the pop-up window. If you have a backup on iTunes, you can select Recover from iTunes backup file, then the software will automatically detect the iTunes backup file that's saved on your computer. Click the one you wish to recover from and wait for the scanning. After that, select the data and click Recover. Or, if you have a backup file on iCloud, you should select Recover from iCloud backup file. Second, type in the information required to log into iCloud. Then you can choose Data and click Start, or choose iCloud Backup and click Scan Download. Then you can preview the data and select the item to recover. We provide a free trial version of it. Come download the software and try it before you buy.